Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I want to show you something. It's so important for who try to learn English. Well, let me start. First you have to log in Play Store and search button. It's a double L-O Hello. It's one application where you can speak English. Now I download, but it's already I have in my mobile. Just click here and then it's like that enterprise. You can sign up by your mobile or by your Gmail. Okay, I'll show you by Gmail. Okay, and there I click my Gmail, select, enter like this page. Just 1 second waiting. And there, welcome to Hello, where you become fluent. Continue. Why are you learning a language? Job opportunity, travel or hobby? School exam, travel or hobby? Speaking. I want to learn because I want to talk with any other student. How often would you like to practice? Lazy? No. Just you can select your name, location. I'm from Saudi Arabia. This is okay. Native speaker. I can speak Bengali. If you want to test English test, you can do, or rather skip test. You can do also become after. Get a start. Okay, now we can see like this. Enter. This is homepage and community. If you want to share your own any post, you can share with any other restaurant, your opinion. In there you can got inbox like hello friends group, and there like that you can edit your profile, you can verify your account by number and Gmail. You can change your everything details for your profile. Okay, have to go to you can saw in there so many teachers who want to teach in other restaurant. You can there one opportunity, a student also can go live. You can see in teacher install class and instrument, and then it's free. If you want to teacher will join with teacher, you have to pay, but any other student you can join by free. Just start into instruments. Now I start. If I want to talk with this guy, just click accept, then we connect each other and we can talk and start talking like this. You can go to all over the world, many student or teacher, etc. All professional people you can go together gathering in this place. If anyone have any question about Hello Apps, please comment below and click the subscribe button, because if you want to got new video about like that, click the thumbnail button. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.